So we are unboxing the Atomy air purifier. So I'm going to go straight into it. So as you can see, it's professionally wrapped with the foam. So on the outside, no visible cracking. So it looks good, futuristic. I'm going to remove the tape. Okay, this is the back portion, and can remove this to gain access to the back. I think we need to remove the plastic. That's the micro, so antibacterial multi-filter. So I'm not sure whether this is reusable or reserviceable, but this comes with one pair. Okay, so easily installed. Put the base first and then push on the top. No, this is definitely a base. Oh, if you can see carefully, that looks like charcoal. So charcoal, as everybody knows, has a very good antibacterial properties. So you can see it from against the sun. And we put the screen in. And then we put the door. Oh. It's quite a good weight, so be careful when you carry this one. Careful on your back. So just a word of advice. Looks good, and we're gonna plug this in and try it out. Before we switch it on, just wanted to note that it comes with the user manual, and in the box it also includes one filter. This is the sensor filter. This is a spare. The original one, you can find it from here. Okay, it already comes in with one filter installed, so that protects the sensor. So this is the spare, and whenever you need to replace it, you have one, so you have to keep this. So that came in together with the manual, and I think we are ready to switch it on. Okay, I'm going to press this one. And the speed. So I think there is like 4 speed settings. That's the second speed. Third speed. As we reach the third speed, I can clearly hear there's some like a hissing, like a fan sound. And then that's the turbo function. Okay, so this is on turbo mode now. And then there's a couple of things you can play with. Oh, okay. Okay, so when you switch the light on, so this things comes on, so this indicates that it is now in working condition. So if I understand this correctly, the unit inhales from the back, filters it out, and then exhausts from the top. So there's, if you notice, there's like a blue color at the bottom. So this is an indicator on the health of the air filter. If you can find your manual, blue means that it's in excellent condition. Green is still good, but when it comes to yellow, it's slightly polluted. And the last color that you can see at the bottom of the unit would be red. So red indicates that the filter is already polluted, so you need to clean up the filter, which is at the back. Okay, so we have switched it on, and then it's now running at the turbo mode. We actually purposely buy this one because we really need it. We are staying in a studio unit. There is no proper circulation. There's only one way coming in from the balcony, and the only exhaust is the toilet. So this will help us a lot in terms of filtering the stagnant air in the unit. So we're gonna run this, and then after a couple of days, then we'll probably do another review on how it has improved the air quality in the unit. Hi guys, it's been a couple of days or a couple of nights rather that we have been using the Atomy air purifier. So we usually switch it on a couple of hours before we go to sleep and let it run out throughout the night as we sleep, and only switch it off in the morning. So that's how we use. We don't switch it on during the daytime, so only during the nighttime. So personally feel that the air is lighter, and this view is being shared also by Ois. She also experienced the same. The air is lighter, is more pleasant to breathe in. And if you're like me, and every morning when you wake up, you have a lot of, you might have a blocked nose, slight flu. So I noticed that for the couple of nights that we have been trying this out, when I wake up, I hardly have this kind of the morning flu that I call it, or the runny nose. So how do we know that the air purifier is working? Well, we did check on the filters. First of all, we check on the top part, which exhales the filtered air. So there are no visible dust or fibers on the top. But when we go to the back portion where we have the grill, and then we open up the grill, so we can visibly see, not that much, but there are some fibers, some dust fibers sticking to the micro filter. So we are not too concerned about that. That just means that the air filter, the Atomy air purifier, is doing its job, and it's continuously filtering the air inside our unit. And we are glad that we got this one. If you are thinking whether it's worthwhile to get this air purifier, we can give you this testimony. We are really glad that we got this Atomy air purifier, which is beneficial for us. So we did test it out, and it's not just hearsay. This is our own personal experience. So it was worth the buy. The price is also reasonable for what it is beneficial for. So Atomy air purifier is worth the purchase.